I'm Eli Burgett out here at CRG Defense in Miamisburg, a company that has recently landed a $2 million contract with the U.S. Army, designing and manufacturing new systems entirely on U.S. soil.
Primary focus in this application is providing a U.S.-based source for these components, which primarily come historically from foreign sources like China.
VP of Innovation with CRG, Jake Monitz, says their new $2 million contract with the U.S. Army entails designing and producing a series of hybrid electric motor systems for military vehicles. He says this is part of a broader initiative from CRG to become a more viable competitor for government contracts, rather than the U.S. having to outsource to other countries. Scott Korndike, president of the Dayton Entrepreneur Center, says the U.S. is emphasizing self-sustainability, and American-based contractors like CRG are receiving more contract opportunities than before.
The more you can control that supply chain, the more trust you have in those components, the more capability that you're able to project without reaching into other countries for materials and products. That's a good thing.
Korndike goes on to say, while a $2 million contract may not be large from the government's standpoint, it can have a major impact on employers like CRG and the local economy. He says every contract landed by these companies means more jobs created to fill the overall orders.
It's not a huge award, but for the people working on it, that's significant. That is continued livelihood, continued ability to do the things that they're doing.
Looking to the future, both CRG and the Entrepreneur Center say that even more local contractors on U.S. soil could land major deals with the U.S. government. For the latest updates, scan the QR code now on your screen to go to continuing coverage of this story on our homepage at Dayton247now.com.